friends, so today we are going to discuss about some important question related to insertion sort algorithm that ask in various exam, okay, like UGC NET, ISRO or NILET exam. So first question is that which of the following option contain the correct features of an insertion sort algorithm. So insertion sort algorithm is stable, adaptive and in place and incremental in nature. So option D is the correct. So stable algorithm is that which are maintain the relative order of record with equal keys, and an in place algorithm is the algorithm which transforms input using no auxiliary data structure. Okay, so in place algorithm, it is take O1 space complexity. Okay, so like it is take O1 space complexity. So for this reason, it insertion sort used only a temporal variable to sorting an algorithm. Okay, so for this reason, insertion sort is in place algorithm, and it is also adaptive and it is also stable algorithm. So now next is which of the following sorting algorithm is fastest sorting for small array. This question asking NILET exam. Okay, so for small array it is best used to insertion sort algorithm. So because insertion sort is simple comparison based sorting algorithm, the main advantage of insertion sort algorithm is it is easily computed. Okay, it can be easily computed. Best case complexity is O(n), while the array is already sorted, and number of swap is reduced than bubble sort. For smaller value of n, here you can see that for smaller value of n, insertion sort perform efficiently like quadratic sorting algorithm. It is also stable sort, adaptive sort. Total number of steps is reduced for a partially sorted array. Okay, when adaptive means when the element are sorted, at that time it will take less time, and when it is unsorted it will take the greater time. That is adaptive in nature. Okay, and it is in place sorting algorithm. And the main disadvantage is that for large value, okay, for large value of n, it is inefficient when the array is so large. Okay, so big element like 100 element are there, at that time it is not helpful to use the insertion sort. So now next is how many passes does an insertion sort algorithm consist of. It will take n-1 passes. Okay, n-1 passes to sort. Okay, to sort an algorithm. So this question is very important. So I take the question that are very important for your exam. So please subscribe my channel. Okay, so now next is which of the following algorithm implementation similar to that of the insertion sort. So for insertion sort, option A is correct. Okay, so the explanation of the question is that insertion sort is similar to that of a binary heap algorithm because the use of temporary variable to swap. Now next is for the following question, how will array element look like after second pass. Okay, when you perform the second pass, so at that time it will 8 and 34 are swapped, so all other element are same. So for the check the all option, and here you can see that option D are correct. Okay, here it is perform the swapping up and all our element are same as like the input string. Okay, so now next question is that what is the average case running time of an insertion sort algorithm. So option D is correct, that is O(n) square. The average case analysis of a tight bound algorithm is mathematically achieved to be O(n) square. Okay, so for this reason it is O(n) square. Average case, we get average case time complexity, that is best case plus worst case divided by 2. Okay, so now next question is that what is the running time of an insertion sort algorithm when the input is pre-sorted? Okay, when the input is pre-sorted, it take on time. Okay, so when the input are unsorted, that time it will take on square. Okay, so but when it is pre-sorted, at that time the input is pre-sorted, the running time is on, because the test in inner for loop always fails immediately, and algorithm will run quickly. Okay, in insertion sort, we to perform insertion sort, we have two loop. Okay, two for loop we require. So when it is insertion sort, at that time for loop are not enter into the inner loop. Okay, so for this reason it will take on time. So now next question is, this question asking UGC NET. Okay, 2014. What will be the number of passes to sort element using insertion sort? So how many elements? This have a formula. Okay, to the number of passes is given by n minus 1. Okay, this is the formula. Count the how many elements are there. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 elements are there. So 6 minus 1, that is equal to 5. So our answer is option B is the correct answer. 5 passes are required. So now next question is that, which of the following real-time example is based on insertion sort? Okay, real-time example. So from the given option A is the correct. Arranging a pack of playing cards. Okay, so this is the real-time example, because you can see that all other option is not related to, that is database scenario, it is not. And arranging the books on a library, it is not also the answer. And time system is also not the answer. So only one option is left, that is arranging pack of cards. Okay, arranging pack of playing cards is a insertion sort algorithm. Database scenario is an example of merge sort, and arranging book is a stack, and real time system is a quick sort. Okay, this is this database scenario, and this is merge sort. Okay, merge sort algorithm, and this C and D are implemented by quick sort algorithm. So remember these things. And which of the following example represent the worst case input of insertion sort? So our answer is, that is reverse array sorted in reverse order, that is take worst time complexity. Okay, because array, when it is array sorted, at that time it will take on time. We previously see that question. Okay, and normal unsorted array, it will take normal time, but when large array, it will take the and array are inverse order, that is the worst case time complexity. Okay, so this is the last question. Okay, so the worst case input of an insertion algorithm will be an array sorted in reverse order, and it is running type is quadratic. Okay, so this is the last question. Please subscribe my channel. Okay.